students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is the electric field at a distance r from a infinitely long straight uniformly charged wire is. Our options are inversely proportional to r, inversely proportional to cube of r, inversely proportional to square of r, or independent of r. So for an infinite wire, infinite uniformly charged wire, let's suppose the charge density of this wire is lambda and there is a point P at a distance r from the wire, point P. So electric field here at point P is defined as 2k lambda by r. So here we can see that electric field is inversely proportional to r. So our correct option will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.